in the recent time has been through Papa and all the discussions that you have with him. But I just wanted to I also, like, Papa cleared out my schedule to be here because I got really excited when Papa told me that you were writing another book, because the first book that you wrote, it really had a very it was very impactful for me. I'll just a short story about how that came about was that we met. You came to our house, and that was a very difficult time for us because I had my boards and I was going through my pre-boards and everything, and it was also generally a difficult time. And you just gave me your book, you signed it, and immediately I wanted to read it, and it became a very nice way to both for me at that time to escape reality of boards and Evo, but at the same time it was so motivating that I remember underlining things in there to read to myself every time. And that is why that book, Be Your Own Pilot, has a very close place in my heart. And no matter what I read, no matter how many fiction non-fictions I read, um, I always come back to those lines that you'd written in that book. And also, I think your book was one of the first ones that we had passed around the entire house. I read it, I underlined, then I think Papa read it, Ma read it. Even my younger brother, I think he also picked it up recently. So it brought all of us together too. We would all discuss that. So again, it was very nice to hear that you're writing another one. And then my dad told me ki you wanted me to read some part of it. And I just think I got so excited. I was so and I just think it's you have such a way with words because, like I said, you take us away from what our life is. I'm transported from that, but at the same time I can relate that back to how I can better myself or I can survive those situations. And I just think it has such a lasting impact that